To use the free lineup on Prizepicks, start by understanding what Prizepicks is. Prizepicks is a daily fantasy sports operator that allows users to play fantasy sports in a unique way. Instead of competing against other users, you are given the opportunity to pick over or under on a player's projected stats. First, download the Prizepicks app or visit their website to create an account. Once you have an account, navigate to the free lineup section. Here you will find a list of available lineups that you can use for free. Next, select the lineup you want to use and review the players and their projected stats. Make sure you understand the rules and scoring system used by Prizepicks. The rules are simple. You pick over or under on a player's projected stats, and if you are correct, you win. Now, let's look at a practical example. Suppose you select a lineup with a player projected to score 20 points, and you pick over. If the player scores 25 points, you win. But if the player scores 15 points, you lose. To increase your chances of winning, it's essential to do your research and stay up to date with the latest news and trends. Look for players who are on a hot streak or have a favorable matchup. Also, consider the player's past performance and any injuries that may affect their stats. Another best practice is to diversify your lineup and not put all your eggs in one basket. Select a mix of players from different teams and positions to minimize your risk. Additionally, take advantage of the free lineup to try out different strategies and see what works best for you. Finally, remember that the free lineup is a great way to get started with Prizepicks and test the waters. Once you feel comfortable, you can start playing with real money and competing for bigger prizes. By following these steps and tips, you can make the most out of the free lineup on Prizepicks and set yourself up for success.